auspicious morning. Punjab for fighting,
Bengal for writing,
Kashmir for beauty,
Andhra Pradesh for duty,
Karnataka for silk,
Haryana for milk,
Kerala for brands,
Tamil for grains,
Orissa for temples,
Bihar for minerals,
Gujarat for peace,
Assam for tea,
Rajasthan for history,
and Maharashtra for mango. What's a beautiful India? It's our nation. We call it Incredible India. Once again, a very happy Republic Day to everyone.
It is better in prayer to have a heart without words than words without heart.
Now I would like to call here Kumud for prayer song.
All of you please join your hands, close your eyes. एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा. ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे पुकार सुन ले. ईश्वर या अल्लाह, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे पुकार सुन ले. ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता. हमसे न देखा जाए बर्बादियों का समा. उजड़ी हुई बस्ती में ये तड़प रहे इंसान. नन्हे जिस्मों के टुकड़े लिए खड़ी एक माँ. बारूद के धुएं में तू ही बोल जाए कहा. एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा. ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे पुकार सुन ले. ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता. ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे पुकार सुन ले. ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता. Thank you.
Thank you Kumud for your wonderful song. Now I would like to call here Gaurav for welcome speech.
जो देश के लिए दे बलिदान वही युवा कहलाएंगे. युवा की परिभाषा आज तुमको दिखलाता हूँ. जो वीर हुए बलिदान उनके उनसे मिलवाता हूँ. माथे पर चंदनदारी वो, नैनों में लिए चिंगारी वो. ये 5 किलो के वजन में अपना हाल गवा देते. 1 क्विंटल का भार लिए वो ताल मिला देते. वजह जिसे कहते हो वो तो हाथ था उनका जी. देश के खातिर मर मिटने तक साथ था उनका जी. जब चलते थे वे रण में तब ज्वाला जल जाया करती थी. एक ही पल में दुश्मन की मौत हो जाया करती थी. वो युवा भारती के मान बनते चले गए. वो युवा हिंदुस्तान बनते चले गए. A very warm morning to one and all present over here. I am Gaurav, feeling very honored to welcome you on this great occasion of Republic Day. On this day, I would like to welcome our respected Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Anne Mary, then the Principal of Avila Kindergarten, Reverend Sister Shiji. At last, I would like to give a warm wishes to all dear teachers and my dear friends. A very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Gaurav. Our Indian flag is treasure of our nation and beauty of the country. भारतीय होने पर करिए गर्व. मिलके मनाए लोकतंत्र का पर्व. नाचो गाओ खुशियां मनाओ. हर घर तिरंगा लहराओ. हर घर तिरंगा लहराओ.
Now let's move to the most important task of this day, and it is hosting of our national flag.
Now I would like to call here Vice Principal of our school, Reverend Sister Anne Mary, along with head girl to host our national flag.
राष्ट्रगीत शुरू करेंगे. शुरू कर.
All of you stretch your right hand for please. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all my elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, along lies my happiness.
All of you raise your right hand for the preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Hands down.
Sister Siddhi, Principal of Avila Kindergarten,
Secretary of High School Section, Mrs. Brushali Teacher,
Secretary of Pre-Primary School, Mrs. Nita Teacher, along with head boy and head girl to offering flower our leaders.
never forget the heroes who sacrificed their lives to bring up this glorious day in India.
With this hope, let's move to the other section. Now Arnav Rane from 3rd standard is coming here to express his thought about Republic Day.
My dear friends, my name is Arnav Arshal Rane from 3rd A, St. Joseph Convent School, Bilakhed, Chalisgarh. I wish you to all happy Republic Day. Today is 26 January, the Republic Day of our country. This day is national festival of our country. On this day, our constitution came into force. The Republic Day is important like Independence Day. On this, our constitution of the India is supreme law of the India. Our constitution is biggest written constitution in the whole world. Today we have a great republic. The republic means a country whose leader is president, not a king or queen. This would not have been possible if our freedom fighters cannot be numerous sacrifices for the independence of our country. I am proud that I am Indian. I love my country very much. At last I will say, I will work hard day and night. I will work hard day and night to take India to great height. To take India to great height. This is not just my country. This is not just my country, but India is my pride. India is my pride. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Full speech.
Now I kindly request our respected sister Anne Mary here to inspire us through her words.
That the Lord is good. Blessed is the man who takes refuge in him. Good morning to everyone who is present over here in this auspicious occasion. Respected very reverend sisters, respected teaching and non-teaching staff, my dear parents and my dear beloved children. First of all, I wish you a happy and peaceful Republic Day. It is the 74th Republic Day of our country. Every year, 76th January has a special significance in the history of our India. Today, with enthusiasm and energy in our school, we planned the program to honor our country with the ever-living great, well-known personalities. At the same time, to make us aware of our responsibilities as a good citizen and as well as the model student of our Josephine family. Then we are with joy, happiness, pride and fraternity in our heart. What is India called a republic? A republic of India. Yes, though India became a free nation on August 15, 1947, it declared itself as sovereign, democratic and republic with the adoption of the constitution on 26th January 1950. But the people of India constantly celebrate this day as a Republic Day of our country. However, after many discussions and considerations, a committee led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar submitted a draft of Indian Constitution which was adopted on 26 November 1949 and officially came into effect on 26 January 1950. On the same day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad also began his term as the first President of India, and the Constituent Assembly became the Parliament of India under various provisions of the new Constitution. Dear children, we are very proud of and respect our Constitution and to be a good and well-known citizen of India, Democratic Republic. It assures its citizens justice, equality, liberty and fraternity, and also gives us our rights and duties as citizens. On this Republic Day, I hope that no matter who are poor or rich or powerful politician or a regular citizen, we continue to respect these basic principles and values given us by our amazing Constitution. On this prestigious occasion, the heroes of our country, the soldiers, are not forgotten. Prestigious awards will be given away to the martyrs and the heroes who have dedicated their lives to protect the country at any cost. Although we have seen a lot of economic improvements and success as a country, especially in this year, our nation is honored with G20 presidency. We still have many hurdles of our paths such as poverty, unemployment and pollution. It is our duty as a citizen to face these challenges and make it an opportunity to come out stronger on the other side. So, one thing we all can do to promote each other, that we will become a better version of ourselves so that we could contribute to solve all these problems and make our nation better place. भारतवर्ष में स्वराज्य के लिए हमारे मगन स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने अपने पूरी जीवन पर संघर्ष किया। उन्होंने अपने प्राणों का बलिदान भी दिया। उनकी आने वाली पीढ़ी यानी हमें वही संघर्ष न करना पड़े और हम देश को आगे लेकर जा सके। यह बहुत ही शर्म की बात है कि अब आजादी के इतने 70 वर्ष के बाद भी हमारे देश में अपराध, भ्रष्टाचार और हिंसा जैसी समस्याओं से जूझ रहे हैं। यह सभी को भलीभांति मालूम है। आज हमें फिर से एक बार साथ मिलकर अपने देश से इन बुराइयों को बाहर निकाल फेंकना है। जैसे कि स्वतंत्रता सेनानी नेताओं ने अंग्रेजों से हमारे देश के बाहर निकाल फेंका था, हमें भारत देश को फिर से महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, लाला लाजपत राय, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री इन स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों से सपनों का भारत बनाना होगा। आओ मिलकर तिरंगा लहराए, आओ मिलकर तिरंगा लहराए। अपना गणतंत्र दिवस आया है, झूमे नाचे खुशी मनाए। अपना 74वां गणतंत्र वर्ष खुशी से मनाए। देश पर कुर्बान हुए, देश पर कुर्बान हुए शहीदों पर श्रद्धा सुमन चढ़ाए, शहीदों पर श्रद्धा सुमन चढ़ाए। एक बार फिर से आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद। भारत माता की जय।
We are feeling pumped and motivated to make our nation full proud of us. We sing the song of India uttering patriotic voice to enrich our modernizing culture.
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। For presenting here a patriotic song, I would like to call patriotic group song students on the dais. Mrs. Neeta teacher to deliver a vote of thanks.
A very happy and warm good morning to one and all present over here. Respected Reverend Sister and Mary, the Vice Principal of St. Joseph Convent School. Reverend Sister CG, the Principal of Avila Kindergarten. All dear sisters, dear teachers, non-teaching staff and all my dear students. I feel honored to propose this vote of thanks on the auspicious occasion of Republic Day celebration. Also, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Firstly, I would like to thank each and everyone present over here. My head bowing thanks to the great Almighty for making this event a very obstacle-free success. Thanks to that God. I would like to thank Reverend Sister and Mary, our Vice Principal, whose valuable presence made our program wonderful. Our gracious thanks to our Reverend Sister CG, Principal of Avila Kindergarten, who helped us a lot in making this program successful. Our dear teachers who had worked very hard for making this event successful. At last, I would like to thank non-teaching staff and all my dear students. So, I would like to wind up my words with one quote. ना पूछो जमाने से कि क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो बस इतनी है, हमारी पहचान तो बस इतनी है कि हम सब हिंदुस्तानी है, हम सब हिंदुस्तानी है। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू, थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू।